Bai,
Berriz
baina...
minau. Bale, minibomba eman dit. Bale, eta hemen, honi eman da... Bai,
Ze karramarroa. Karramarroak ere xakatzen zean.
nola hartu zan hau? Ah, bale, ya está. Bale, bueno, eskaira dakao, hemen txegoazen geistea.
Txeinen naizela harrik puskatzen. Kontu xixarekin,
Bai. Ez bai, harrik ez puskatu. Zugun mena kitea. Bale, eta hemen denak kakatu behar dira, bitxo guztiz, bale?
Pile konzentratuta.
Joder. Txori bat.
Bale, xixarek daude.
Geoda bat lortu, Hauek txixarek hil behar dira, bale, uste?
Bai, baina.
Hor!
Kontu zorrekin, atzian.
Ja. Joder. Vale. Hau da... Pantalla level espezial bat bezala.
Seguro zaude horrekin?
Bai, uste baiet. Puskatu harrik nahi baituzu, Baina jungo dia xomorro gehiago atatzen. Napoleon. Kriston susto gartzei dut, komandokin.
Hemen bitxo bat.
Banua.
Lasai, karramarro da.
Vale, minibomba. Bez nola jute jana gertzen. Eta energiaz, bueno, zemuzuaz.
Ondo. Ni karri puskatu.
Baina, eskaira.
Katu berdia, jauna. Txikos, katu berdia.
Nola gustatzen zaizu nahi kontra ematea. Lasto ez du inola hola izola. Jarri berri. Zaitzatik batzutan ituta bestratutan, no? Doi la carcajada. Ataskatu dintzai. Ea ataskatu zaitenen pantalla zuria bai?
Ba ez beti, batzutan aparte, nahi ataskatzen zaitu egin bai.
Ba ez, bilai ataskatu zaitu.
Baina beti ez du kointziditzen, Kale, ja eskailera karapatzea da,
Joder. Ba bez, guain ez duitan nola izolana, ba ez da gitzatik.
Nekatu gozan.
Nik guztu
Harrapat dituten ondoten, eskailerak.
Zain, guain jistene. Nik idazten ba segurazki guain iten du.
Hola, Isola. Hola, Isola.
Zuzula guzten jarraiegi iten dezulako, blokeatu iteizu.
Epa lagunok ongi etorri Lasto Txapelen kanalera, ongi etorri Arthur Morganen aventura berri honetara, eta suposatzen du joan beharko garela misio ezberdinak egitera. Eta beraz joango gara garanta suposatzen dut. A ver. Orduan joan beharko gara zeo zer batzera edo. Zer daukagu. Biblia bat. Ja, bueno. Bueno, agian zaldi hartu beharko genuke. Moztuko dugu egura bur bat. Hala. Bale, hortze dago gure zaldia. Hala, guazen. Bueno, lekutan dago leku hori. Iepe Bila, Iepa Riberrok, Iepa Ilargi. A ber, noa, puntu hori jartzen den tokir, ez dakit historia normala den, da ez, beraz, bueno, apur bat aventurara noa, baina norbaitek lagunduko balit eskertuko nuke. Vale. A ver. apur bat kaina emango diogu. Ni bonantzakoa ikusi dut beti, baita ere MacGyver, Los Hombres de Harrelson eta abar. Baina jargi zu zer gogoratzen baduzu mesedez eskertuko nizuke zure laguntza. Ia, rantxo bat edo da hau. Vale. Eta hura hemen dago. Ba, ez dakit nola markatzen den mapan. Bueno, esan diz, esaldia joan behar dela uretara. A ver, mapa. Principalak zintzuk dira. A ver, ia komandoena. Ah, bali, itxaron. Ahaztu egin zaidala bestea egitea. Chatbot jartzi irekitzea. Ez naiz mugituko lasai, nego jartzen bestea komandoena sartu alizateko eta bar. A ver. Eta hemen non dago misioa. A ver, mapa. Vale, orduan joan nahi zorra. A ver, sonalde. A ver. Bai, hau da zonalde horia, baina hemen nor? Hemen adibidez? Zonalde horia. Ba, vuelta berriro. Frogatu orain komandoena. Mesedez. A ver.
Zalditeria arina oberena.
Vale. Bale, gehiago ditut. Beste bat izan daiteke Rohan, adarrak eta ipotxak.
And Rohan will answer.
Begira herri bat. Edipotxa, ez dakit, begiratu beharko nuke. A ver. Vale, saldia utziko dugu hor. Hemen. Vale. Vale. Ez dut irakurri. Zeri buruz doa. Vale, hortik ezin gara joan, hemendik. Vale, orduan guazen bera. Vale, puntu horian. A ber, hau hemendik sartzen da. Vale. Vale, agian hemendik ez da. Ah, vale, laguna. Oh.
Well, ain't you just the toughest ticking mountain man?
Oh, you be quiet, Anastasia. Anyone can tell this one is a pussy cat.
Exactly. Yes, he's a pussy cat. And that's so, Arthur.
Whatever you say. How much you cost, anyway?
Well, ain't that a nice way to talk to a lady?
Oh, I didn't know I was talking to a lady.
Excuse me.
Aupa, Arthur, zu ligatzen trebena zara bai.
Yeah, regular dandy and a charm. Where's Bill?
Oh, man. I dread to think about it. Hey, hey, hey. There he is. Watch where you're going. Take it easy. Are you about to kiss that guy? Oh, and we have our answer.
Zuez izara golpeka, ba. Hala, pigutara. Ah, bueno. Ah, joder. A ver, indartsua da, Hala. Hala. Hala.
Please, I beg you, stop. Come, sir. You won the fight already. Surely that's enough.
What business is it of yours?
No business. No business, sir, but please, I beg you.
Hala, kakas beteta. Baina, bueno, eman diogu egurra.
Petrillo, the very same. Well, I thought you'd gone to New York.
And miss all this glamour. You must be...
How are you?
Well, quite well indeed. I went to Blackwater looking for you gentlemen. You're not very popular.
Kakusemea txarragoa da hau.
Ah! Javier and Charles. I've missed you. And Bill looking as well as can be. Gentlemen, always a pleasure.
You're right. We ain't too popular in Blackwater. We left a lot of money there.
And young Sean, it seems. I have. He's being held by some bounty hunters. Just talk.
If we step foot in Blackwater. Well, then we're dead men for sure. There'll be Pinkertons all over the place, but if he's alive, we gotta try. Of course.
It's you they want, Dutch.
Always is. Charles, go find out what you can, carefully. Keziah, take Javier. Arthur, go get yourself cleaned up. Join them when you're ready.
What about me?
Well, exactly. What about you?
What does that mean?
Oh, Bill, come on.
A ver. Orain ona, ez? Berdin da noran joaten naizen. Iskol... Vale, saldiak eta bar garbitzeko, nora joan beharko naiz.
That was just beyond belief.
Eta orain zer? Bueno, niri bost. Vale. Guazen salditxo. Agian ni bairen bat, nire gandik ez dut ikusi. Ez atera bidetik bestela galdu egingo naiz. Bueno, paisaiak eta bar, politak dire esan beharra dago. A ver. Begira, errano bat. A ver. Nora joan nahi noen.
You busy, my friend?
Why?
I'll cut you in.
Loaning? Already?
You know how it is. People is happy to borrow off someone like me, but more enthusiastic paying back to someone like you.
Of course. Who are they?
Let me see. Chick Matthews works at Guthrie Farm. He's a hand, I believe. Mr. Roble, the small holder at Painted Sky, runs the operations there. Badly. Miss Lily Millet is a ranch maid up at Emerald Ranch.
And here was me believing Dutch's bluster about us helping folk.
It's legal work, Mr. Morgan. Debtors belong in prison. We are doing them a favor.
I'll make sure they see it in them terms.
Jo, pertsona hori gogoratzen dit, Jurassic Parkeko... Jurassic Park ez, Indiana Jones eta En busca del Arca de la Alianza, bueno, filma ez dakit dugu atzen izena. Vale. Vale, eta orain joan behar naiz. Horra. Vale. Vale.
Well, that's exactly what I've been looking for. Oh yeah.
A ver. Vale, aldapan gora suave.
Easy, easy.
Utziko dut hemen. Ah, vale.
Knock, knock, Mr. Rope. Przepraszam, co pan robi w moim domu?
God damn it.
Przepraszam, co pan robi w moim domu? Kim jesteś?
I'm here on behalf of Leopold Strauss. Where's our money?
Leopold Strauss. Nie mam pieniędzy.
God damn it, you don't speak English, do you? Now, you remember where you're keeping that silver?
Potrzebuję trochę czasu. Znajdę ci pieniądze.
No, still don't understand you. Where is the money? Gold, dollars.
Nie rób tego. I have nothing. No. Please, no. Don't have money, but have this. It's good. It's good. It's valuable. It's Warszawa, yes.
I have your things. Okay? I have anything in here or out there.
Yes.
A ver. Guazen gauzak.
Don't even speak English.
Ia topatzen dugun armairu honetan.
Longer I look, madder I get.
Ez, grafiko gutxiago jarri ditut bestela agian jokoak eman aldizkit arazoak. Eta bentsa zuzenekoa egiteko. A ber, ez dakit potentea den edo ez. Claro, ez dakit dena da Resident Evil 3 moduko jokoa den. Motore berdina biltzen duen edo ez. Eta gainera ez dauka C diskoan instalatuta. Baina horien ez dago mundu irekian jokatzen, hau da kanpaina modua dori. Modu libre izateko pasatu behar da lehen da bizi jokoa. Jame, esan nahi dut, GTA 5 mundu irekia da ere, Ezta, ibila? Ez que ez dakit GTA 5 modukoa den, edo ez. Nahi dut lehenengo historioa... Nahi dugut historia lehenengo amaitu eta gero agian joan beste toki batera. Baina behin jokoa gainditzen badut aukera ditut misio horiek egiteko? Ez daukate izarako gauzarik. Iepa. Eta zenbat kanpaleku daude. Mapa. Hmm.
Who's there?
It's me.
Hope you've been good out there.
Damn it, don't be this way.
Keep your hair on.
Vale. Orain nator, segundo bat. A ver. Vale, conforme.
How did you get on, Herr Morgan?
Called in on the smallholder, Roble. Didn't even speak English.
Good, very good.
My pleasure.
Well, if it's pleasure you're after, there is one other. This farmer preacher fellow I met in Valentine, Mr. Downs.
The opinionated little do-gooder? Yeah, I know the one. I certainly know the type.
A
Thank you,
ver.
Herr Morgan.
There's no need to thank me. Like you said, it's pleasure I'm after.
He's more slippery than he seems. I've tried being polite. Don't take any nonsense.
Nonsense? Me?
If he doesn't have the money, beat him.
Well, I usually do.
I know. I know.
A ver. Eso es. Vale. Au. Lo egingo dugu. Bost ordu. A ver. Egunon bai. A ver. Mapa. A ver. A ver.
Careful not to work
Misioak.
yourself to death there, Uncle.
I was thinking.
Does it pay well?
Eventually.
So, while the rest of us are busy stealing, killing, lying, fighting to try to survive, you get to think all day.
Well, it's a strange world we live in, Arthur Morgan.
Do you want to head into town? See if we can find anything.
Ba, baliteke posible izate, ez dakit.
Great. Go check the horses are ready.
You gonna take the old man into town? You take us too?
Well, what you got planned?
Nothing. We'll find something for y'all to do. We always do.
We're bored out of our minds. Been cooped up here for 2 weeks now. Karen's about ready to murder Grimshaw.
Can Miss Grimshaw spare you?
Can Miss Grimshaw spare you? What's happened to you, Arthur? 3 young, healthy women want you to take them a ride, and you're worried about house chores. Let's go.
Fair enough. You got me. Come on then.
I can't believe we're going to see civilization. Feels like weeks since we did.
Yeah, Valentine. Very embodiment of civilization. The ladies are gonna love it.
Sure, you'll see. Real civilized.
Bueno, misioak dira.
Let's go.
All right, you know the way?
Yeah, me and the boys got into a bit of a fight at the saloon there.
Already?
Ooh, so all that talk about how hard you've been working. You mean drinking?
Bueno, urte horretan behintzat, koronavirusik ez aukaten. A ver.
Lady, sing us a song. Come on.
I'm not a girl in Maryville. Can't be screwed 'cause you're too damn
Baina bala de queda behar bada bai.
She's got a thing. Fits my feet like a diamond ring. I got a girl in Valentine, likes to drink that fancy wine. Blooming her head, her 2 feet tall, cracking her pants, pay for it all.
Look at that Koji. He's all over the place.
Is one of you gonna get that fella's horse?
Oh, I got lumbago. Very serious.
Lagunduko diogu.
Want to head into town?
Yes, but this won't take long. Look at the poor fella.
Why didn't you help that poor man?
Oh, lumbago. It's really serious. It can
Ni saiatu naiz.
How about you, Arthur?
Do I look like I got the energy to waste on charity?
Bueno, saiatu naiz.
I don't believe you're quite that cold, Mr. Morgan.
Oh, I'm colder than you realize. I feel bad I didn't rob and kill the bastard.
Very inspiring, Arthur.
Begira tren bat.
Smell those sheep. Or is that Uncle?
oh, very funny.
This looks like a decent little town. Other people. Finally. Look at all that snow on the mountains.
Sure don't want to be back up there.
You think we should have asked Mom to come with us?
Oh, no. Miss O'Shea is far too high and mighty now for the likes of us. Or to do any real work. She's a society lady now. Okay. Take a good look around, ladies. See what we got here.
Go left here, down the main street.
There's always on the right.
Sure, you can pick up some bounties there, Arthur.
Heaven forbid you put your head on the line.
Yeah, that's a young man's game.
Ooh, yes. We can get up to some mischief here, all right.
Just remember, keep a low profile.
Will you remember that, though, Arthur?
Probably not.
Let's park up down the end there, near the stables.
Alright. Here we are, just like I said.
Ahora, heldu gara, bai.
Center of civilization.
No es. Zer lortzen dugun orain honetan.
We're gonna do what any self-respecting maniac does. Put the women to work.
With pleasure. We'll start at the saloon.
Okay, just stay out of trouble. Don't get yourself noticed.
I need to get something from the store.
Okay, well, we'll see you at the general store when you're done.
Come on, ladies. Imagine we're in Paris.
I imagine Paris and Valentine.
So that's how you see yourself, is it? A maniac?
Ba, vale, jarraituko dugu.
To be known as the one-shot kid. Okay. I'm not gonna ask why.
You are a sad man, Arthur Morgan.
But I know you love me. Desperately. You're my favorite parasite.
Sutilla.
Ringworm's my favorite parasite. You're my second favorite parasite.
Very funny.
I lied.
the place now. Come on. Morning.
So, what do you need?
Drop of whiskey for a start. Something to pass the time while we're waiting on the witness.
Yeah. Reckon I should probably steer clear of the saloon this time.
You're looking a bit tired there, Arthur. Why don't you pick up some coffee while we're here?
Let me know if you have any questions, fellas. Whiskey's on the top shelf. Here's the door.
Wait. Hey, you the feller who had the fight with Tommy outside the saloon?
Yeah, that all got a little out of hand, but I didn't swing first.
Sure, well, these things happen. And that was some good doing. Don't reckon folk ever seen Tommy lose a fight before.
Well, it's all done now.
Okay, if you're done, I'll meet you outside. I won't be too long. What do you reckon? Lamb or sausage?
Well, this here's a sheep.
Aguas en Campora.
Here's to your good health, my sir.
Nahiko gaizki atera da bai.
This time in my career, I pictured myself being married to an heiress.
Gentlemen, I think I got something good.
What?
I snuck into this fancy house. Acted like a servant girl. Usually works. Someone was saying her sister was taking a trip from New York or someplace. Train full of rich tourists heading to Saint Denis and then cruising off to Brazil.
Okay.
A train laden with baggage and passing through a bit of deserted country at night.
Xutilla.
Docks in time for the tides.
Bai.
It's a place called Scarlet Meadows.
Eta zer gomendatuko zedinakero ez lehen da bizi, argi.
Good. What's till in camp?
I think at the hotel, they were picking up some drunken fellas that they was gonna rob.
Why?
Seemed easy. They have been gone for quite a while.
Guess I'll go see if there's any trouble.
There's Tilly over there. That does not look ideal.
Excuse me.
Hala.
I've been looking too long. I got you. Get your hands off her, friend. Who are you?
A friend of mine.
Get off her. Or what exactly? You wanna find out?
Esaterako.
You're making a big mistake, Tilly Jackson.
Just get lost.
I ain't doing this with you right. Go away with Uncle and Mary Beth. They're across the street. You're lucky we're in a busy town.
Ah, vale. Ez. Boren begiratuko dut. F txatean, bai? F handia izan da.
Hell off of her, you son of a bitch. Hey, take it easy. There's no problem here.
There will be if you don't get out of here right now.
You're making a big mistake, Tilly Jackson.
Just get lost.
I ain't doing this with you right now. Go away with Uncle and Mary Beth. They're across the street.
Bada espada.
Can I help you, sir?
Couple workers lost their
A bath, perhaps? No trouble now, please.
Saiatuko naiz.
Well, get the hell out of here, will you?
sorry. Wrong room. Hey! A friend of hers.
Get out of here, buddy. I paid.
They paid to hit her, you goddamn animal. Come here!
I paid for nothing.
What the hell are you doing here?
Trying to play him? Not very well.
You okay?
Fine.
You sure?
Yeah. Nothing to worry about. Just men. But stupid bastard was boasting about the bank.
Bank.
Sure, I know small town banks are usually a waste of time, but it's a livestock town. There's lots of cash.
Nice.
Okay. Keep investigating.
Salditeria Ariña Overena.
After you. Thank you, Arthur. I don't much like being saved, but when I have to be.
I understand.
You okay? Sure. He only punched me. Arthur punched him a lot harder.
All right now.
Hey, who's that guy over there looking at us?
Weren't you in Blackwater a few weeks back?
Me? No, sir. Ain't from there.
Oh, you were. Well, I definitely saw you with a bunch of fellers.
Me? No. Impossible. Listen, buddy. Come here for a minute.
I saw you.
Come here.
Come on, get.
I don't like this. Me neither. Go get the girls home. I'm gonna go have a word with our friend.
Be careful, Arthur.
Just a word. Yeah! Just borrowing it.
You stay away from me.
Get back here right now! That's far enough!
You have to help me. Please, I can't get up.
Why are you telling lies about me?
No. I got it wrong, partner.
Salbatzen dugu edo ez?
Now, please help me out.
I ain't never been in Blackwater.
Then why are you chasing me?
I've got an unfortunate face.
Yes, me too. Now, please pull me up. Please. Please.
Orduan, akabatzen dut, ez?
Pull me up, come on.
Ah, vale.
All right, come on.
agree. You saved my life. You're a good man, and you want a pen? It's one of them steel ones.
Esa que ser la coña, bueno.
Not a good man, Jimmy Brooks. Not usually. You see, I was in Blackwater. I killed people. And maybe I should have killed you. Should I have killed you, Jimmy Brooks?
I never saw you. Not now, not never. I think we have an understanding.
Of course we do. Jimmy Brooks. I will remember that. I've got a good memory.
I haven't. Not one lick. Not one cent in this here old mine. Come on. Have a nice day, my
Vale, mapa. Va a ahorrar. Egia da, ibili behar dela saldiz pila bat. Egira, zubi bat. Bagian beharko dut errifle bat horrelako zeo zer. Ez que pistolekin bakarrik. Errifle bat erostea komeni zait. A ver. Vale, orduan map. Bai, ikusi dut. Arazorik gabe gainera.
Getting quick, folks, before I eat all these chops myself.
Hey, you. What are you doing back here?
You got a problem? What the hell's wrong with you? You looking for trouble? I'll give you the beating you're looking for. Too bad. I was looking forward to a fight.
Just get out of my way.
You blind?
Well, new marksman in town. Welcome. Oh, wait. You're that fellow who had to fight with Tommy outside of Smithfield's?
Yep,
People are still talking about that fight.
I ain't.
Fair enough. Neither's Tommy. Anyway, how can I help you today?
Let's go with that. Vale.
Let me see what's available.
Get your news here, Valentine.
Vale, ingo dugu este misio bat hobeto. Eta dirua lortzeko gomendioren bat Ba, saiatuko gara.
Help me. Speak to them for me.
Speak! Don't cry, boy. Speak about your gang.
I can't.
Boy. Whoa! Hold your horses there. It
No,
seems
vale.
the cat has got our friend here.
Hau sekundero izan daiteke jargi.
Mr. Williamson could have a word. Ready to talk, boy.
I told you, mister. I told all of you. I don't know nothing. They ain't no friends of mine. I just been ridden with them for a while.
Horseshit. You see, we heard that part, so how about you tell the truth? That's what you want to do.
Hurt him, so the next time he opens his mouth, it is to tell us what is going on. Ah, who am I kidding? One of O'Driscoll's boys couldn't open his mouth, but he'd tell a lie. Screw it. Let's just have some fun. Gell's here. Yeah!
What's he doing? Where's he going?
Oh, don't worry. You're only balls, boy. Just gonna
Ah, bueno, vale.
trouble. You know, in Imperial Rome, Unix was among the happiest and most loyal of courtiers.
No, you kidding me, right?
Of course.
You sick bastard! Oh, what do you want from me?
Well, you are gonna talk. The only question is now or after we got these little fellas off.
Okay, listen. I know where O'Driscoll was holed up, and you're right. He don't like you any more than you like him. He's at 6 Point Cabin. I'll take him there. Serious. I don't like him. I mean, I like him even less than I like you, no offense.
Oh, none taken. Okay then, partner.
Why don't you take a few of us up there right now? I got this, Dutch. Should be fun. All right, you. Come on. Let's go. Let's both hope you ain't trying to trick us, O'Driscoll.
I ain't no O'Driscoll.
You sure as shit was. John, Bill, come here. We got a social call needs making. Where we heading?
Up into the hills behind Valentine. Well, I'll show you.
John, you take this little rattlesnake with you. Ain't nonsense to kill him. Sure. You gotta pay your buddies our respects. He taking us to Cold? That's what he says. Come on.
I'm taking you to him. Look, I'll give you direction when we're close. But I know where we are. It's up past Valentine.
All right. I'll leave.
Hala, bagoazen. Eta hasierako arkua eta guzti hori, non gelditu zait. Eta rifle hori.
With an O'Driscoll. Who'd have thought? How many times I gotta say? I ain't an O'Driscoll.
You sure look like one, and you smell like... God damn. You smell like one, too.
I smell like horse shit.
That's right. Boy, are you high.
Morgan, you got throwing knives in your saddlebag. Doug said that you might... I was asked to give them, and I'm doing you the further courtesy of telling you about it.
Next time you want to give me something, how about you give it to me, instead of hiding it somewhere, hoping the opportunity comes up to mention it.
Last goddamn favor I do you. Hey, if I got my bearings, it's over here. Yeah, I know this country. Take this track up through the rocks.
Zirkuluan ez dira agertzen, begira.
How you holding up, John? Fine. Still ain't right, but I'm fine. Damn well should be after all that bed rest. Hey, all right. Abigail wouldn't let me up. You know her. She won't be reasoned with. Well, when you was having a failure of reason, hiding behind your woman, we were getting shot at. And I'd do the same for you. If you was in a bad way. I hope so. But I fear you don't know how to help anyone. Except in yourself. See, O'Driscoll? If this is how he treats his friends, imagine what he does to his enemies.
I got an inkling of what y'all do to your enemies when you put those gelding tongs to my parts.
Bill, you still got those tongs?
I got a knife.
Vale.
Won't be so clean, but it'll do the job.
Keep that in your mind, young feller. Right at the forefront of it.
I swear, I promise, I am taking you to comb as best as I can. You'll see, I'll make good. Now we go left, road will take us up and round. Those are the hills. Head for 'em.
Save your horses, we gotta climb, boys.
You know, you all ain't that different from the O'Driscolls.
What did you just say?
I've been watching you all these weeks, and,
You've been tied to a tree. You don't know nothing about this game.
yeah, well, I'd say you don't know much about the O'Driscolls. But maybe I know more about you than you know about them, and I know all about them, so...
Tell us then, how are we like those mongrel dogs?
You're outlawed like them? You're out to survive like them? You live rough. You live hard. Fighting the law. Nature. You're out for yourself.
See? This is why you're an O'Driscoll, O'Driscoll. You're out to survive. We're out to live. Free. Cole's a sneak thief and a killer.
Begira.
Duchess,
Agian bai, eta ez dut ondo begiratu.
From where I've been, you just look the same as all.
then you looked, but you ain't seen. John, shut that boy up. Enough out of you. Boys, we're almost on. Now, who knows if this son of a bitch we got with us is talking true, but if it's what he says it is, and Colm O'Driscoll's here, we can end years of fighting. Here and now. Amen to that. Here, here.
I swear, this is where he was...
Shut up.
Okay, now cut left up here. We go down the hill into the forest.
We're going in quiet. Taking them out as we find them. Trying not to set things off.
Vale.
We do, we move
Ah, badaukat, bai.
Hey, we're real close. I'd leave your horses the other side of this clearing.
I'll get my guns off my horse, and I'm ready.
Easy, Bill. Quiet.
This is it. The cabin's just the other side of this hill.
Okay. Off your horses. Let's go.
You gonna get them knives?
I said easy.
Follow me, all right? It ain't far.
We might have shared a horse, but we ain't friends. Remember, I'm watching you. Every moment.
Hemen laban batekin, denarekin.
You'll die, boy. But you'll lose your balls first.
Hey, there, you see?
Okay, get down.
Cabin's in the clearing over there. There'll be a bunch of fellers hiding out there too.
Are these fellas armed?
Drunk, wary of strangers, yep.
Colm O'Driscoll?
He'll be holed up in his cabin. Be passed out, booze, wine, likely as not.
Over there. Someone's coming.
Who's gonna tell me you got nothing for pot? Let me think. Fella that spooked the game, I reckon. I'm gonna drain it. I'll catch up.
A ber,
We ain't gonna
ninjak izango gara.
wait so you can tell him yourself. Yeah. If anyone's actually gonna shoot the messenger, it'd be that son of a bitch. Yes, sir. Come on, take it off.
What are we doing about the pisser?
Morgan. One by the tree.
Juan Bil.
Yours, Williamson. Okay. I got him.
Eta erango dugu aiztoa. Bai, saiatuko naiz.
What's the plan? Let's get close to these two. Make no mistakes here. That's what the knife's for. When we're there, we move at the same time.
Come on. Get down this hill or I'll pull you down. What the devil?
Now
Ai, pistalekin hobeto.
What are we doing about the pisser, Morgan? One by the tree. Now we got a real fight! It's on! We move quick, we move hard! Come on then! Come on! We caught him on the drink! Protect me! None of them get out of here! This is quite a hideout! Drunk idiots! Clean them up! Clean them out! Don't run away from me! And Rohan will answer. It was cold! This is done! You're worthless O'Driscoll hides!
Pues no te gusten.
Lying, that little toad! We got him! Rosie! What are you hiding out in the woods for? We catch you unawares! Tom O'Driscoll! Where are you? Come at me, you Irish bastards! Give up, O'Driscolls! We got you beat!
A ver.
You stay here, you damn man!
Pues ditut ikusten.
Run and hide if you know what's good for you.
Combs being cabin. I'll check. You look out here.
What you got, O'Driscoll?
What's that Combs being the cabin?
Ya bueno. Pues daukate lapurtzeko ezer. A ver, hemen. Bada espadan. Hala.
You alright?
Sure. Thank you.
Ba, ez dakit.
Home O'Driscoll. Ain't here. You set us up. Come here!
What?
You set us up.
No, I didn't.
You did. Home O'Driscoll ain't here!
He was here, I swear. If I was setting you up, I wouldn't have saved your life.
It's a good point, Arthur.
All right, then, go on. Get out of here. Hey? I won't kill you.
I didn't set you
Get
up.
lost.
Shit, lost.
I'm letting you run away. Now go on. Get out of here.
That's as good as killing me. Out there, without you, Homo just was gonna lose his mind like this.
So?
A ver, se cajan.
One of you now.
Give me a break. All right, then. But I'm warning you.
Okay, I know.
Come on, let's get to camp.
So you got the cash then?
What cash?
Yeah, there's usually some cash in the chimney.
I'll check it. Rest of you boys, get to camp quick.
See, Arthur? I ain't so bad.
Hey, Bill. You tell Dutch old Kieran ain't worth killing. Just yet. Right you are.
A ver. Den hartuko dugu. Dolar bat. Hori ondo. A ver.
At least you got something tucked away.
Vale, kaka. Alde egin beharko dut hemendik. Txaron. Gure kanpalekua non dago?
Hey there, can I have a word?
What's the problem?
Frogatu duzu errazkin? Gauzatxo berriak. Zer topatzen dugun hemen. Frogatxarren. Vale, ezin dugu ezer egin. Kanpalekua. A ver.
Out of the way! Yeah. Yeah.
A ver.
And Rohan will answer.
It's me, Arthur. Roll out the red carpet.
Zeren goazen apur bat lo egitera. A ver.
Dear Arthur, I've written this letter 100 times or more, and I cannot get it right. It's me. You know it's me from the bad handwriting. I know I said when we last spoke, and I was going off to get married, that we would not speak again. I know I said a lot of things, and I meant them, I suppose, at the time. But I'm not so proud as to not speak to people who care for me, or cared for me. I've been in Valentine for a couple of months. I had some bad luck, and, well, it's a long story, and not an interesting one. But I am here for now. I saw a couple of the girls, or whatever the polite term is for them, that ran with you and your associates in town, and I heard tell of a man who sounded like you. I would love to see you again if you could spare me a little bit of your time. I'm renting a room at Chadwick Farm, just north of Valentine. Yours, Mary Linton.
Mr. Morgan, can I? Are you okay?
Yes. Miles away, I'm afraid.
So it seems. Anyway, it's that fellow Downs.
The, do-gooder?
Exactly. We lent him quite a sum. It seems like he has little intention of repaying us. He was quite ridiculous when I went to see him. You've not been to see him yet, I take it?
I'm sorry, there's just had a lot on. I'll go give him a gentle reminder.
Not so gentle. I don't like his kind. Superior.
As you wish.
A ver. Diru dago ez dela nire lekua lo egiteko. Ulertzen ez dudana zeratik ezin dut lorik egin. A ver. Ay. A ver. Hemen ez dituzten. Eta uste dut Arthurak behar duela lo apur bat egin. Ez dituzten, arraroa da. A ber, isa bat dago hortik. Agian joan beharko naiz emakume hori dagoen tokira. Agian egin beharko dut hori. Lasai, joango naiz. Edo isa hori dagoen tokira. Itxaron. Valentinez nora joan behar naiz. Eta hori hemen dagoen leku hori da uste dut. Ahí va.
These things. Well, I should be moving. Bye.
Howdy there, Wilk.
Thanks, partner.
Hey,
How you doing? Step.
I tell you, this place is cursed.
Ba, ez dut ulertzen. A ver. Ba, bueno, hemen utziko dugu eta hurrengoan gehiago. Agur.